In the world of aesthetic medicine, there are countless ways to improve your appearance, everything from injectables to surgery. Yet some people prefer a more natural way, using their own cells. And that's what we're talking about today with the experts at Grandview Aesthetic and Plastic Surgery Center. So I'd like to welcome back Medical Director Dr. Rakesh Nanda, as well as Medical Assistant Nanda and Klepper. Thanks for being here, guys.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
All right, first of all, it's called PRP, Dr. Nanda. What is that?
So PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. So what we basically do is we draw your blood and we take the natural good cells out of that blood, we spin it down a centrifuge, and then we put it back on to help regrow factors naturally.
And so what could you use this for?
So it's actually used for a variety of things, and it's actually become even more and more popular lately with all the new TV shows and things coming out where they use this. What we mainly use it for, we started using it for, was when we did facial resurfacing, when we did scar treatments. So if you take that blood and you spin it down, you use the platelet-rich cells, we can put that back on. It stimulates growth factors. Those growth factors will naturally help the healing process and give you a better long-term result.
And Rhiannon, you actually are the one doing a lot of these procedures. So how does the process work?
Well, basically, like you said, we draw the blood and then we spin it, and then basically what we'll do is inject it either into the scalp for hair growth, or I apply it on the face after we do the halo procedures or Profac procedures and stuff like that. And it sinks into basically the skin and gets down to the deep dermis level and enhances that growth factor and the healing time.
And the healing time too, which is big, I think, for a lot of people who do these things, right? You want it done and you want to heal and move on, and this is able to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Okay, and we have heard, I think, of the vampire facelift. That's one of those names that's kind of out there and we've heard about. So is this kind of similar to that? Is the process something?
This is essentially the exact same thing. It's one of the same. So what we basically can use PRP for, and there's many different kinds of PRP, so just to make sure everybody understands properly, we're educating them well, there's a lot of different kinds of PRP you can use. We use a kit called Harvest. It's one of the best. From what I've seen, I want everybody to have the best of everything. You can go out and you can buy a regular tomato or you can get an organic tomato. Why is one different? It's because you have better quality. So we're using very, very high quality kits to spin down your blood in, and then we reapply it in. That's why we get such good results with what's called the vampire facelift or facial reconstruction procedures.
And Rhiannon, you mentioned the hair growth. We have some before and afters of this, and I think that's really cool that this can be used for that, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, those are one of my patients, and he started coming in. He's saying that he can't get his hair back. He's been doing Rogaine. He's trying to keep what he's got. He goes, I heard there's something new out there and he wanted to try something. So I said, yeah, we have this new procedure called PRP hair growth and rejuvenates hair process, and basically it'll regrow new hair.
And that looks incredible. I mean, it's natural. That's the biggest part, which a lot of these other products
are man-made.
Exactly. They have fibers or something that I feel like if it rains, it's going to come down your face, that kind of thing.
This is natural. Exactly. And that's why I get so excited about this one, because it's natural. You don't have to spend tens of thousands of dollars for a hair transplant anymore.
Which is a bonus.
This is very quick, very easy, and you're using your own body's natural cells. You're not putting something foreign in your body.
And are the results permanent when it comes to this?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that's huge too.
They're permanent, which is why we're able to help people, such as in those pictures, have the same almost results as a hair transplant with a fraction of the cost.
And we mentioned it's good with other procedures. Such procedures, Dr. Nanda, you say the O shot, the P shot, those are ones we hear about. And in fact, you're having a wellness center soon at your practice.
Yes, so we're expanding out at Grandview Aesthetic and Plastic Surgery Center. So we now are going to have a wellness center. What that basically means is, we're doing all these other procedures we've talked about so many times. Now we're doing the O shot, the P shot, like you said. And what that does is it helps stimulate the natural sexual functions of males and females. And so we can now help women achieve climax and orgasms without having to take medicines. We can help men achieve the same results without having to take Viagra, Cialis, have all those cardiac effects. We can help with lubrication, incontinence. It's great, and it can last up to a year.
Is everybody a candidate for PRP?
Everybody's a candidate for PRP. Yes. Everybody has blood. Everybody's a candidate for PRP.
Exactly.
All right, it is that simple. And if you want to go in, get a consultation, find out what you could be able to do with PRP, it is as simple as giving them a call at the number on your screen. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.